What's up to my friends on YouTube, and welcome back to another tutorial video. Today I will be showing you how to use the stopwatch feature on iPhone and everything that you need to know about it to optimize the stopwatch. No matter what you need to do, I'm sure it has the feature that you need to know. So if you're not familiar already, when you receive your iPhone, there is a built-in clock app, and it has a various amounts of things that are on there and features that will show you and you can navigate throughout to see what you need to do. But opening up the clock app here, it should be on your home screen. You should see the icon in the bottom right hand corner there, and clicking on that is going to take you into the stopwatch menu here. Now you could set whatever you'd like from seconds to minutes to hours. I'm just scrolling through all the different options to show you. You could also change the sound and purchase some other sounds if you'd like, but there's a decent catalog of different sounds. You could find what you're looking for. And then all you have to do is hit that green start button in the middle right of the screen, and it's begun to have a countdown timer. As you can see here, it'll show you what time it's supposed to end, and you can see the visual of a countdown in the circle. And keep in mind too, when you log off of the clock app or go to a different app and then you move back onto it, the stopwatch is going to continue. So I logged off around like 1950 there, and it's going to continue to count down. It's 1935 and going further and further down. That's pretty much all there is to it though. It is a pretty simple application to use. If I did miss anything or you wanted anything more from this, I'm sure you could probably find it, and comment down below if you can't or you need any help with any of the things I went over in this video. Other than that, if you found this video helpful, be sure to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.